to Pampanga, Malaus, Copu. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah.
Get ready for the place you go. You're gonna have a blast. I know.
Pampanga Vision and Mission. We envision Pampanga as a competitive province that is developed, transparent, and responsive. July governed and managed by competent and committed human resource, where peace, love, and respect to the environment reign in the heart of every Kapampangan. The provincial government of Pampanga dare to uphold effective and comprehensive delivery of social service, role model in terms of good governance, environment protection, promotion of culture, peace and catalyze of change through sustainable trade and investment, quality and affordable education, availability of needed infrastructures of public utilities where its public, official, private sector and the Kapampangans are partners and committed to the principles of common unity, love of country, and dedicated service God and Almighty.
Welcome to Pampanga, Malaus, Copu. Pampanga, yeah.